home now. It's 10:43 and I'm gonna tell you guys my big news. I'm sure a lot of you can already guess what this is gonna be. I'll give you guys like a couple of seconds to guess. So I do have really big news. I wish I was able to be telling you guys this news with my boo, but obviously he's not here with me right now. The big news is, drumroll please, we got accepted for the apartment. I'm so excited, y'all. I literally like, oh my god, I'm so excited. Basically, we got approved for the apartment. They never really like sent a letter that was saying like you got approved, which I did find kind of weird, but they sent us straight to this thing called Updater, and basically it kind of just like assigns all of your moving tasks that you need to do before you move and gives you like little checklists and everything to do. So like some of the things were getting our renter's insurance, setting up our electric. I think those are the only two things that we need before we move in. So yesterday me and my mom were trying to figure all of that stuff out. But she said that she was going to do all of her like calling and researching for like the electric companies, just because I know in my COVID video a lot of people were like, oh my god, you're literally asking your mom for medicine, you're crying about being alone, and you think you're about to get an apartment. Yes, all very, very valid assumptions. I get y'all's point. I understand what y'all are trying to say. I can do things on my own, but I have the option to ask my mom while I'm living at home, so I'm going to ask my mom. We have a good relationship, and I feel like some of those people who maybe were commenting those things maybe don't have like a good relationship with their mom or something. I don't know. If need be, I can make my own doctor's appointments. I can do all of that stuff if my mom doesn't want to do it or whatever, but my mom offers to do it, and she's okay with doing it. She still does that for my 23-year-old sister. Obviously she doesn't like schedule my nephews or anything, but you know, like she still does that for my 23-year-old sister. Yeah, I know a lot of people were talking about that, and yeah, I think the reason I was crying wasn't necessarily just because like I was completely alone. I literally could not leave the house, you know what I'm saying? When I'm living in my apartment, I'll be able to go to the gym, I'll be able to work out, I'll be able to go swim if I want to go swim, I'll be able to go see Julia if I want to go see Julia, you know, like I'm not stuck inside the house. That was kind of more so as to why I was crying and like just frustrated and everything, was because I couldn't see my nephew. I was stuck inside the house. I couldn't see any of my friends or anything like that. I'm a 19-year-old, you know, like I thrive off of being with my friends and stuff like that. Like that's just a normal thing. I'm a teenager, you know what I'm saying? Like, I don't know, I feel like people just took that like way too much. I'm perfectly fine. I'm ready to move in. Like, it's gonna be great. I don't expect everyone to support me. Obviously, I know everybody's gonna have their own opinions, but I'm ready for this. I have been saving up to move out for a super long time. I definitely do think it's gonna be hard. I've never like said that it's not gonna be hard. It's definitely going to be hard. It's definitely gonna be a huge adjustment. I've never lived with anybody other than my family, and now I'm gonna be living with a partner, and then also like this is our first apartment, both of us. Yeah, there's just like big adjustments, and of course it's gonna be like it's gonna be a shock at first, of course, but I know in the end, once all the tears and all the anxiety about living on my own and all of that is all gone out of the way, I'm gonna be so much more happy having my own space, having my own environment than living in this house. And as much of a non-independent person that y'all think I am, because I feel like because of that video, like y'all think I'm just like not independent at all, I am an extremely independent person. I hardly ever ask my parents for anything money-wise. Honestly, just a lot of things. I think the most things that like I really like, I don't even ask my parents, I ask my mom. But I think the most things that I really ask her are just like advice on how to do things, or like help with my taxes, things like that, you know? Like, okay, so I'm currently editing, and I feel like kind of like the way I was like explaining this just kind of like sounds weird. The point I just kind of want to get across is like I feel like people were trying to act like it was like a bad thing that I was like asking my mom for medicine. I don't know, like it didn't really like seem like that crucial to me, and it's really not that crucial. I think it just like kind of upset me a little bit because people were trying to like say that like I'm not ready to move out and stuff simply for the fact of that, like based off of that one thing, and I feel like that just kind of frustrated me. But y'all, I'm more than capable of doing things on my own, and I'll never be ashamed for asking my mom for help for things, because that is like the normal thing to do, you know? Like when you have a good relationship with your parent, it's okay, it's more than okay to ask people for advice, people for help, regardless if it's your parent or not. If you have like an adult figure or just someone that you like go to for advice and things like that, it's more than okay to do that. But yeah, now that I'm done ranting for this 8 minutes and 30 seconds, I think I'm gonna go lay down. I'm probably gonna honestly go back to sleep. I'm kind of tired, so I think I'm gonna go back to sleep. It's now 12:44 and I haven't gone to sleep. I just couldn't go back to sleep, so I'm up now. I'm gonna start getting ready for the day. It's about to be like 1 o'clock, so yeah. And also I really want to do this prank, the prank where I really want to, oh, by the way, this shirt is from Fashion Nova, but I want to do the prank where I call like all the people that I love or whatnot, or the people that are like important to me, and do the like I'm in jail prank. The coffee creamer we have is the Fruity Pebble one. Fruity Pebbles, they're great, but not in coffee. Like, I don't know, I haven't had coffee in so long. Well, actually no, I had coffee the other day. Coffee already has like creamer in it, but I don't like, it's not enough, so I add a little bit of creamer. This is the, like I said, the Fruity Pebbles one. Great. So I want to do my hair. Actually, I think I'm gonna do my hair an updo today. I haven't done an updo in like forever, but I think I really want to try doing like an updo and doing like a braid or something, and like adding my hair extensions to it. I think it's gonna be really cute. Okay, I'm gonna do a little get ready with me portion just because I can. But yeah, like I couldn't go back to sleep, but I'm still like drowsy and like tired and stuff, so that's why I'm drinking coffee. But I'm using the Tula brightening treatment vitamin C drops, and I'm just gonna put this all over my face. Also, I really need to clean my room today, so that's what we're gonna do as well. I'm gonna use the Tula the Tula Rose Get It and Glow. I can't speak. Then I'm gonna go on my all-time favorite moisturizer, and I'm gonna put this on my skin just to moisturize. I'm not gonna put too much just because I'm gonna probably put primer as well, so we're gonna just do a little bit. I could talk about moving for a little bit just so that like I can like update you guys on everything and how everything's going and stuff. So basically our move-in date is September 10th. I cleaned out my closet the other day, but other than that I have not done really anything for moving because for one, I've been in quarantine. I haven't done anything, and I did not want to buy anything until we found out if we were gonna get the apartment. I'm gonna go ahead and use, I think today I'm gonna use the Dr. Brandt primer. This is the Dr. Brandt Illuminating Base Primer. Literally all I can think about is just like moving and what I'm gonna decorate and everything like that. Like I'm literally just so caught up over it. What was I even gonna say? Oh yeah, I was gonna talk about the apartment. So all we have to do right now is set up our renter's insurance as well as our electricity. Wi-Fi is all set up. Every single room has their own like router. We've kind of decided that we're gonna do beige and white in our room. So I was thinking about doing something kind of similar to this. I really like that like sign and just finding like stuff like that, and then we can also incorporate like succulents and stuff to make it like fresh. And then for our living room, we're gonna be getting a light gray couch. I'm pretty positive. I've been looking for couches because I think we're gonna go ahead and try to buy our couch now. Well, we don't have a couch for one, but we were gonna just use his couch from his house, but honestly I'd rather just like get our own now. There's really no point as to why we can't. But we did talk about only buying the essentials as of right now, just because he's starting a new job. We're only gonna be buying like essentials now, so like all the cleaning supplies, things that we're gonna really need, but like decoration wise we're probably not gonna be buying much. I'm super excited. We're both really excited. I haven't really told my family. My grandpa called me today and was like, so what's this about your moving? And I was like, yeah, I'm moving. I am. So family gossip, because I haven't told anyone. I haven't told anyone besides my mom, my sister, my dad, and I told my aunt, and now my grandma probably know. Anyways, that's kind of like enough about the apartment for now. I'm gonna finish getting ready and I'm gonna do my hair, and then I'll see you guys later. It's now 2:04. I just got done doing my hair and my makeup. I'm currently on FaceTime with my boo. Yeah, I'm gonna clean my room. So I'm gonna show you guys what we're working with and what we gotta do. We found a couch that we really like. It's the light gray color that we really want. It's like basically brand new. It's only been used for a year. We're probably gonna get it. Just go ahead and get that one because we really like it. But I'm gonna show you guys my room and kind of what we're working with. So right now I have all of these clean clothes. That is some boohoo clothes, which actually I think I'm gonna sell some of the stuff. This dress is just like super tight on my boobs. The two-piece set, I thought I was gonna like it a lot more than I do. And then also these like pants, they're just like way too big. So check my Poshmark. I'm always posting stuff. Check my Poshmark if you want to shop. And then this is just like some clean clothes. It just like looks all messy. And then obviously you can see my bed. I have some dirty stuff right here. We're probably gonna take this little thing to the apartment. I don't know what we're gonna use it for just yet, but if we don't find a use for it, I can just give it to like someone in my family. But I don't think I'm gonna bring this. I think I might just give that to my sister. And then I'm not bringing a vanity, but I might be getting a new one because like I brought it up to him about like getting a vanity and stuff, just because like I don't want to have to get it ready in the bathroom and like clog up the bathroom and stuff. So maybe possibly in the future I might be getting a little small vanity or something, just so that I can like have all my makeup and my hair and all that stuff just like all there, and I don't have to get ready in the bathroom. I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like. I was talking to my aunt on the phone, so if you see me like talking and stuff in the video clips, I was talking to my aunt. She just called me. I was just updating her on like life and stuff. I haven't really talked to her in a really long time. We talked for a little bit, but I'm gonna show you guys my room. So this is just kind of what this looks like. I ended up moving my mirror in the center just because like it's a lot easier and I like having it that way, so then I could just sit down and do my makeup. I actually got this the other day from a subscriber. Look how freaking cute. It's from Peachy Perfect Crafts, so if you guys want to shop with her, it's just like a little Post Malone Scentsy. Super, super cute. Just look them up on Instagram. This is just kind of, this is a mess, but this is kind of cleaned off, and then I have my birth control, have my Poshmark stuff, and then my bed's just clean. Charging my phone, but my closet I cleaned out the other day. I didn't end up filming it just because it was like really stressing me out this day, and I just didn't really want to film it. So this is just kind of what it looks like for the apartment. I think I'm gonna be taking this little caddy thing as well as this one, but I think for this one I'm gonna get like replacement drawers because that's not cute. So right now I'm going to change my clothes and probably make some TikTok and just get some like kind of content-y stuff done. I also have a thumbnail that I need to edit, so I might do that as well. Or honestly, I could maybe just clean out my vanity today. I think that is what I'm gonna do because honestly I really don't have much else to do. I was gonna do that prank, the gel prank, but I don't feel like it's gonna be good to do it now. I think I should do it whenever I move out, because then I feel like it'll be a lot more convincing, because like he'll have work and obviously my parents won't like know anything about like where I'm at, what I'm doing today. And I feel like here my mom's gonna be able to tell that I haven't left the house because we have the cameras and everything, and it's just I would have to leave the house for like a copious amount of time for this prank to work. So I think I'm going to just wait and do it whenever we move into the apartment. Give it a couple days, give it like a week or two, and then do the prank. So I'm so excited, you guys, for all the pranks that I'm gonna do on him. Yeti is in for it. He's in for it because I have a lot of pranks planned for him. I feel like so many pranks I can do on him, but there's like not really a lot of other pranks that I can do on like other people, but I have so many pranks. I've been saving the ones on TikTok. Hopefully I'll just like transfer them to YouTube and just saving like popular YouTube pranks. I don't know, we'll have to get him comfortable with the camera and stuff, but I'm really excited. It's now 5 o'clock. I'm about to run to the bank to pull out some money. I need to get that money because we're gonna go get the couch. But yeah, I did want to go ahead and preface that I did make sure that I was okay to go outside and stuff. I'm gonna go ahead and we're gonna go get the couch today, so I'm gonna include that in this vlog. So yeah, I'm gonna make sure I get my other battery. I'm gonna go wash my hands really quick, and then I'm gonna try to run really fast to the bank. I just got home. It's almost 9 o'clock and I am exhausted. Like, I'm super tired, so I'm about to get in the shower. He just went home. But yeah, I'm exhausted. We moved that couch, we had to stuff it inside of the truck and get it to the storage unit. It was like an hour drive. Yeah, we definitely did a lot, but I'm super proud of us. We are doing big things at 19, and I'm really proud of us, like all the accomplishments that we are making and doing. It's just a really big deal and it's super cool. But I'm about to get in the shower, cleanse myself, and then honestly I low-key might go to sleep. I think I'm actually gonna take a melatonin before I get in the shower.